In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a fillable PDF digital planner using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design. In the search bar, type Planner and choose a planner template that fits your style. After the template opens, start customizing the planner pages. Click on any text box to edit the headings, such as daily tasks, goals, notes, or schedule. You can also add new sections by going to the text section and inserting additional text boxes. To improve your planner layout, use the Elements panel to add lines, shapes, icons, or decorative elements. Continue editing the pages until your planner layout is exactly how you want it. If you need more pages, click Add Page at the bottom of the design and repeat the process to create weekly or monthly sections. Once your planner design is complete, click Share and then Download. Choose PDF Print as the file type to keep the design clear and high quality. After downloading the PDF, open it in an online PDF editor such as DocHub or another fillable PDF tool. Upload your planner PDF and add text fields to the areas where you want users to type their notes, tasks, or plans. Save the file when you finish adding the fields. Now your planner is a fillable PDF that can be used digitally on a tablet, computer, or phone.